Hello everyone and welcome back to TravelSolo Channel. Today is my 6th day of my quarantine here at my brother's house in Ipil, Zamboanga Sibugay. And today is my birthday. Oh my god. Guys, this is the very first time that I celebrate my birthday alone. No family, no friends at all except myself. It's me, myself, and I on my birthday. It's okay. Well, although today is my
I've never really been the one who's worried, always been the one who's keeping it cool. The kind of guy who chill while others hurry. I didn't know that I've been the fool. I've been telling lies about something real, but I know love is based on
So this is my own version of my pork adobo with salted egg. So this is how I celebrate my birthday, and with a can of beer. So I'm celebrating alone here. Right, so this is how I
am made to be free.
My family is now heading to a restaurant, so I asked them to, to celebrate without me. So all my family is there. I'm having dinner with my restaurant while myself here alone with my cooked pork adobo. Okay, let us try if it is okay. Perfect. And of course, with a can of beer, San Miguel. Yeah, so cheers for another wonderful year. I'm so blessed because, I have my family, I'm blessed in my career, I'm blessed with friends, I'm blessed with this community here on YouTube. I'm so blessed to have you guys. So thank you so much. Thank you for thanks God for keeping me safe always, keeping me in good shape, keeping me good health, keeping me away from from harm. Although we don't have that much huge celebration, but what is important is we are all safe, our family is safe, in good health. That's the most important thing. So a celebration, it can just be a one-day celebration, but the love of our friends, of our family, is much more important. And thank you once again for all the thoughts, for all the greetings, for all the wishes that you have given to me on my special day. So thank you. Cheers.